So Seedance 2.5 recently came out and I wanted to tinker a bit with it. So I opened my Higgsfield account and tried Seedance 2.5 for you so you don't have to. Here is a quick and dirty video on how to use it and what you can expect from this model. So as a small recap, Seedance 2.5 is an AI video model. I use it for paid ads, but you can create any kind of video you want. What kind of video you can create are videos that are up to 30 seconds, including audio that you can generate in 480p or 720p in all formats. We're going to see this right after. The things that are interesting with this model is that it works with reference images that you can use just to tag inside of your prompt to identify either a product, a person, or a scene, but also start images and end images. And the way you use it is, well, you first upload all your assets, give your prompt, and tag within the prompt the subjects you want to use as references from your images. Then you generate, and I'm going to show you some results. The ones I did were just taking a still image from an ad from Grunt and then animate it, and then basically do the same process as a UGC and also put the product into a scenery. So here we go. So first I started with this. So this one, it was just an image I found on the Ice Library from Grunt and decided to animate in a kind of a product focus fashion, and this is the result that came up. Then for this
Okay, real
video,
talk. I've been using this for 2 weeks and my skin has never looked this clear. No greasy field, just results. Links in my bio if you want to try it. Okay, real talk. I've been using this for 2 weeks and my skin has never looked this clear. No greasy field, just results. Links in my bio if you want.
So I put it in the 16 by 9, but I could have put it in a 9 by 16. And basically the product package is perfectly respected. The face and the animation, the way that she is holding, grabbing the package feels very natural. The skin tones and everything, it's like super realistic. I like it.
I've tried every cream for these dark circles and nothing worked until this one. Look, 2 weeks later, the difference is crazy.
So then I tried to reuse the same character, but in just a different UGC script, where an emphasis on tiredness and black eyes.
I've tried every cream for these dark circles and nothing worked until this one.
So the point was never to use exactly the same value proposition of this Grunt's ad, but see in for just a pack shot of a product, you could use it in different scenarios and how realistic it looks. So it's a bit cartoonish, but still realistic. So I think it's
Worked until this one.
interesting to use. Her facial expressions, etc., are cool.
Look.
The mouth is slightly over exaggerated and seems a bit yeah, you see like the AI here, but I mean
2 weeks later the difference is crazy.
And it takes in account also the zoom that I asked. And lastly, more of a like ecom pack shot video. Okay, the towers are extra. They were hallucinated by the AI, but you get the idea. It all started from just a random picture of this Grunt's package I found online. I gave a simple prompt. So as you can see in the prompt here, so I uploaded this image right here and this image right here, tagged them as at image 1 is the exact product, at image 2 is the clean marble surface, and then create a video from this as a commercial ad, and it created this video. So yeah, guys, you have this video for Cedance 2.5, videos that you can create up to 30 seconds in all formats, up to 720p. And depending on the length of the video, for instance, for videos of 5 seconds On Higgsfield, it costs like 33 credits. So you create a bunch. And right now there's even like an early limited offer, which I don't have. So feel free to try if you fancy it.